Guys, this is what, 3 years in the making? 4 years in the making. We finally got our first Cybertruck in. Oh, and we're wrapping it already, as you can see. Cool color. We'll talk about that in a second. Pictures don't do this justice. A lot of people are like, oh my god, I hate how it looks. This thing is sick. Is it okay if I open the door? That's how you open the door. You press the button, and oh my god. Oh my god. Wow, guys, we're inside. Big screen. You go shwee.
Give respect to this tonneau cover. Holy shit, this thing is strong. Hell yeah. Only do this with customer permission.
You can't jump though, but you can stand.
They say I can step on the glass too.
Oh wow.
Yeah, I don't know if I'm on that.
You might want to wrap a towel and just punch the car really hard.
I don't want to do that.
Ow!
Look at the door panels, all metal.
Jeez.
Look at that, built-in RGB lights. Wow. Car's new, and the first thing we're doing is already wrapping it. It's a really cool color. It's like a grayish blue. It looks really nice. I think it's gonna work really well. A lot of people online are doing these crazy colors that don't really make sense to me, like purples and pinks and yellows. And it looks kind of funny. I think this is actually gonna look good. Look at the windshield wiper glass. It is so massive. It goes all the way to the top. And there's only one. We are also doing some cool decals. Like we have the post-it notes to where just remind us where we're gonna put the certain decals. What do you think, Leo?
I like it. You look like a spaceship.
I don't know how I still feel about the steering wheel. Like, do I look like gangster right here? Like when I do this, cause this is how I be rolling in here, bro. Like this. I feel like I'm too low, you know. I feel like this is you don't look as, you know what I mean? Like when Leo be like, oh, you know, Dominic Toretto with the muscle. Leo, I don't look very like.
Let's go get the family on the
Yeah,
side.
like, you know. Like, see, I don't like that.
Alan, what was it like to drive the Cybertruck? Did you feel like the best vehicle on earth?
I mean, like instead of turning it this much, I felt like I only had to turn it this much. That's about it. It's alright. It was also in service mode.
The top.
After waiting for years, we finally got to wrap our very first Cybertruck. This is a sick color. It's not bright and obnoxious, which seems to be the route a lot of other owners are going towards. This is subtle, and honestly, looks like a color that could have been offered by Tesla. The grayish blue color complements the metal theme of the truck, so it works well. Not having to fight the curves of a car when laying wrap down was also a nice change, making the whole wrap process a lot friendlier. Some of the decals we added were the Texas flag and the XCare logo on the bedsides and on the back. Adding them behind the wrap gave it a nice embossed detail without making them so in your face, so it doesn't always scream marking vehicle 24/7. If you want to wrap your Cybertruck, hit us up. This was a fun project. What? What the f*** does it do that? Holy sh**. Oh my god, the window's rolling down and up.
got a mode in there